This is a quick video to show you how you change the blades on the Triton planer thicknesser. So with the Allen key that it comes with, you just screw the bolts on either side and just remove this panel, and that's where the blades are. Really quick and easy. So when you take the cover off, then it'll reveal where the blades are, and the blades are held on by this metal bar that have got like 5 or 6 of these the same bolts that your Allen key fits in. So you just unscrew all of those. I ended up having to switch to a regular Allen key because I thought this was going to snap because they were on that tight, but I managed to get them off. And just taking the camera closer, you take that off. There's some magnets that come with this as well, and the blade, one of the blades is there, and the Triton blades are reversible. So you take the little magnet and you pick it up with that, and save you cutting your hands because they are reversible. The inside of the blade should be really sharp. So this is how it comes out. So the bottom is flat, and the bevel or chamfer, whatever you want to call it, is on the top there going downwards. That's the direction it's facing. So that's the way that it comes out, and then obviously we'll just flip that round and put it in the other way to use the other side of the blade. And then all you do is put the metal plate back over it, line it up with the holes, which is really easy to do, and then put all the bolts back in it. I didn't go mad with tightening these. I just tightened them, tight, but they were really difficult to get off on one side, so I didn't want to over tighten them. So to get to the other side, there's a little red sort of button switch thing on the side there, and the blade is locked at the minute, and what you have to do is push it forward and then spin the blade, and exactly the same on the other side. You just spin it over and it's just the same again. So you just unscrew the bolts again, take the plate off, flip the blade around and screw it back down, and then just put the cover on. It's exactly the same as how you did the first one, and that's it, it's done. It doesn't take very long at all, and I think I did it in 5 or 10 minutes, just filming it, slowed me down, that's all. But it's really quick and easy to do. I filmed the whole thing, so I've left it going, but this is just going to show you the same thing as I did before. But at the end of the video I did put some footage of planing up a really messy piece of wood, just so you can see how well this planer thicknesser works, if you're interested in seeing that. So thanks so much for watching.